If you're searching for a gaming desktop that delivers excellent performance right out of the box, this machine is definitely worth a closer look. It combines powerful hardware, modern design, and dependable performance into a pre-built system that's ready for gaming, streaming, content creation, and everyday multitasking. The big question is whether it truly offers the value that gamers expect. So let's break down everything it brings to the table. Powering this desktop is the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor. Featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU continues to be a reliable choice for demanding workloads. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games, editing videos, streaming online, or running multiple programs simultaneously, the processor delivers smooth and responsive performance. Even though newer platforms exist, the Ryzen 7 5700X remains an excellent performer that easily handles modern computing needs. On the graphics side, this desktop is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card with 8 GB of dedicated VRAM. This GPU is designed to deliver impressive gaming experiences with sharp visuals, high frame rates, and support for advanced features like ray tracing and AI-powered DLSS technology. Popular games including Fortnite, Call of Duty, Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, Valorant, Cyberpunk 2077, and many other modern titles run smoothly while taking full advantage of high refresh rate gaming monitors. Memory is another major strength of this system. It comes with 32 GB of RAM, giving you more than enough capacity for gaming and multitasking. You can keep your favorite game running while recording gameplay, chatting on Discord, streaming music, browsing the web, and switching between applications without experiencing noticeable slowdowns. This amount of memory also benefits video editors, graphic designers, and creators who regularly work with demanding software. Storage is provided by a fast 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive. Compared to traditional hard drives, the SSD dramatically improves system responsiveness. Windows starts in just a few seconds, games load much faster, applications open almost instantly, and file transfers become significantly quicker. With 1 TB of storage, you'll have plenty of room for Windows, productivity software, creative applications, and a growing library of games. Thermal performance is equally important, and this gaming PC features a liquid cooling solution for the processor. Better cooling helps maintain lower temperatures during extended gaming sessions while reducing fan noise and allowing the system to sustain high performance under heavy workloads. Supporting everything is a dependable 650-watt power supply that provides stable power delivery and offers flexibility for future upgrades. The exterior design also deserves recognition. Instead of a standard black case, this desktop features a stylish white chassis that looks clean, modern, and premium. Whether your setup includes RGB lighting or follows a minimalist aesthetic, the white finish helps the system stand out while complementing almost any gaming environment. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, making setup simple and convenient. Just connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse, complete the Windows setup process, download your favorite games, and you're ready to start playing immediately. There is no need to assemble hardware or install complicated drivers before enjoying your new PC. Overall, this gaming desktop combines the proven Ryzen 7 5700X processor, the capable GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, 32 GB of RAM, a fast 1 TB NVMe SSD, liquid cooling, and an attractive white chassis into a balanced package. While the AM4 platform has fewer future CPU upgrade options than AMD's newest socket, its current gaming and productivity performance remains outstanding. For gamers, students, professionals, and content creators looking for a dependable pre-built desktop, this system offers excellent value and performance. Hi guys, if you want to buy this Ningmei gaming PC desktop computer featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X processor, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB NVMe SSD, GeForce RTX 5068 GB graphics card, liquid cooling, 650W power supply, and Windows 11 Home, then please visit the purchase link provided in the video description below. If you enjoyed this review, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.